When you return the printer for repair, you should avoid this ink mess. This is a video showing how to empty the ink supply before returning the L1800 DTF printer. Discard the inks in the ink tanks. Don't return the machine along with the inks. Extract inks out of all the cartridges. Put the ink cartridges back in place after cleaning. Stuff up the ink tanks with some tissue paper. Take away the ink waste bottle. No need to return it. Extract the ink waste out of the tube. Tie up the tube to avoid ink leakage. If you don't have any ties, you can use tape as an alternative. We appreciate it if you complete all these works. Thank you.